everybody, welcome back to the cookbook kitchen, our first cooking video for 2025. And today we are making a delicious easy dessert. We are making Blackberry Clafoutis. I hope I've pronounced it correctly. Yes, that's what we are making today, and we are going to use the cookbook Everyday Low Lectin Cookbook. That's the book that we are going to use today. This is a French classic and it is perfect for any occasion. Like I said, I'm using Everyday Low Lectin Cookbook, making this recipe great for those of you who follow a low lectin lifestyle. Let's dive right in. This is what you are working with today. I use a cast iron. You can use a pie dish. I've already coated my cast iron with some coconut oil. So the ingredients are here: eggs, coconut cream, monk fruit sweetener, and a pinch of salt. The recipe uses inulin powder, but you can use any sweetener of your choice. Almond flour, the blackberries, of course, the star of the show, almond extract, it is optional, and vanilla. That's it. So we'll add our eggs in the bowl, the coconut cream, the monk fruit sweetener and the pinch of salt, the almond and the vanilla. Then you're going to mix until you get a creamy batter. After that, you're going to pour our almond flour. Then we combine until it incorporates fully. We're going to pour our butter into our cast iron, and then we'll place our blackberries on top. Nice already, so we'll bake it for 40 minutes. Our clafoutis is ready, so moment of truth. You can eat it cold or warm. The book says that it has to set and be golden brown, and I think we have achieved that. Whoa! Yo! It's ready, so time to test. I am excited for this one. Yeah. It smells really nice. The smell is excellent. In one word, it's excellent. Whoa. This is really nice. I love the sweetness. It's just right. According to the recipe, you can add more of your sweetener. I'm not a sweet tooth, so this sweetness is just excellent. For me, it's yummy. I've tried it before, I think with strawberries. Yeah, I've tried it before with strawberries, and at that time I did not use the almond extract, and I felt like the coconut flavor, especially from the coconut cream, I felt like it was too much. It was overwhelming. So if you don't like a lot of coconut taste, this is it. Make sure you use almond extract, but the book says that it is optional, so I've used it. So if you don't like overwhelming taste of coconut, make sure you use the almond extract and enjoy. Let me know in the comment section, how do you make your clafoutis? How do you like it? Do you like it with blackberries? Do you like it with strawberries, with cherry? I've seen people use cherries. I enjoyed this video. This is a nice way to start our year with this excellent dessert. So let me know in the comment section which other recipes you want us to try out this year in this cookbook, or which other cookbook would you want me to try out. Suggest cookbooks for me in the comment section, the ones you've tried, and even the recipes that you've tried here. Also, how have you adjusted different recipes from the cookbooks that I have tried so far to fit your needs? Because sometimes you find some of these ingredients are not available in your country. So what do you use to replace the ingredient that you don't have? That's it for today, guys. See you next time. Bye bye and God bless.